Prakriti Kriyamanani, nature is so strong that you must die. I am very strong. You may be very strong, that's all. But you must. There is a, I would say, joking story that one man thought, how to avoid this? Then the Hiranyakushi. So he thought that Jomaraj is the superintendent of death, he comes to take, I shall make such policy that he may not come to me. What is that policy? To bring some stool, I shall smear over my body, and out of bad smell he will not come. So he began to smear stool on his body at the time of death. So this is going on. They are making body very stout and strong, that they will survive. Nobody will survive, sir, unless he is Krishna Consciousness. Thank you.